our life.
The sister is at the back. Yo! Back rider!
Oh, ayun na back right, mga kaibigan.
Pupunta kami sa Derechong with our friends. So, nakahiwalay sila ng tricycle because hindi kami kasha.
Yeah, nagka-tricycle po ang Jackie.
Yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
Yeah.
Bye! Bye, sister!
Ayan. In front of KFC, you will see this building. It's West Fame Fleets. Diyan po ang Derechong. Sister! Ayan, this is where we're gonna go. We gonna go to the may bingsu house din dito. Pero hindi tayo pupunta. Okay, let's go into the second floor.
Let's go.
Ito to, may salamin. It's our favorite. Salamin. Mahiwagang salamin.
Tama ba? Second floor?
Dire-diretso ito.
Uy! Wow! With the name! Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, our name is on the TV. Char, our friend's name is on the TV. Welcome to Derechong, everyone.
Oh, there's bingsu, sister.
And they have
We should
photo
get.
too. They have photo camera. Let's get a photo check.
Paakyat pa lang yung iba namin kasama. Paakyat pa lang yung mga kasama.
Sige.
Wow!
So since we have a reservation, we have our own room with our own TV. And this is where we're gonna sing, tama?
Vloggers.
We're a vlogger is Ate, mag-hi na sa vlog namin.
Hi, ate!
Mag-order na po kayo, ma'am. Tawag lang po kayo ng mag-a-assist sa inyo para...
Ako kami namin tatawag.
May buzzer po kasi.
Oh, may buzzer.
Pero yung buffet something, kami ko ba yun?
Yes po, ma'am. Yung sa buffet natin, ma'am, dalawang choices, ma'am. Some gifts or shrimp.
Pero dapat same kami lahat.
Yes, ma'am. Pero
Yung
kung
samgyup
gusto
tayo.
po parehas na i-avail, pwede rin naman po. Mas 699 per head po siya, ma'am. Bali may shabu-shabu and then some gifts.
Let's just get some.
Some gift na lang.
Some gifts.
Yeah.
Merong, ate magkano? Pwede kang, you can get samgyup and shabu-shabu. Samgyup is 599. And if you want both samgyup and shabu-shabu, it's 699.
With beef na yun.
With beef daw.
Paano kung bigla na lamang I wrap my arms on your hips, baby, yeah. Pag di mo inaasahan I kiss you right on the lips, baby, yeah. Write little love notes on a post-it and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh, boy. Yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe.
Here's Sister Kiet. What's that? I think this is Yangno.
Oh,
And then I also gonna get this one.
fried chicken. I want this. Here's some kimchi, macaroni.
And they have lumpia.
Oh my gosh. I think this is fish fillet.
We're gonna get calamares.
Yeah, what's this?
I don't know. This
Kuya, ano to? Yan.
Inoki?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
May salad din.
Haharanahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta.
Okay. Ay, di pala. Samgyup hot pot.
Say
Okay.
hi to the vlog.
Hi guys. This is our first song from our first set, which is the upbeat songs. Because this is our welcome step. Sinabi.
Asan yung mais? May mais ba sila? Wala na.
Our next song, kailangan nyo na akong sabayan. Because this is a very hard song to sing alone. Bakit Papa?
Ay, sige.
Everybody! Dadalhin kita sa aking palang. Everybody sing! Dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo. Dadalhin ang palang ng hangin. Ang pangarap ko umiiyak, umiiyak ang puso ko. Alaala pa ng sinabi mo kung nataramdam ang pag-ibig mo. Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat ng ito ay pinangako mo. Pinapayat ako. Pinapayat ako. Di ba ako pinapanganak mo? Alam mo yan, sis. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan. Ikaw na kung nasaan ako dyan. Sister Kim, ikaw sino? Kaya, dito ka. Umpisa na kayo. Everybody, yun na. Janine! Everybody now! Ayusin mo kasi! Di ba yan? 7:30 na! Ate, hindi ka lang ang ate, wait lang! Alam mo sino ko lang ang bastos niya, oh? Pangarap ni si Janine, supportahan naman siya. Uy, hindi mo dala. Hindi ko pala nakabuhay. Natapos na. Anong masasabi ninyo? Did you enjoy? Wala sumasagot. So guys, thanks for watching. This is our vlog with our friends.
1, 2, 3.
This is for the vlog. Guys, this is for the vlog. So ano masasabi?
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.